Take a closer look at this. This is OpenClaw running on my phone, and this is not a trick. It is running natively on my phone, and the best part, I am running OpenClaw with Ollama, so you do not need to pay anyone. No expensive hardware, no Mac Mini, no cloud, no VPS fees. It is running perfectly right on my phone. And do not make the mistake of thinking this is just a normal chatbot. This is an AI agent. It can access and manage files, automate workflows, execute commands, and here is something most people do not know about it. It can completely control your phone. I connected it with Telegram so I can control my phone without even touching it. I placed my OpenClaw phone to the side and I am sending commands from my Telegram phone. Hey OpenClaw, open YouTube. See that? The agent is controlling my phone. It successfully opened YouTube. This is not a screen mirror. This is happening in real time. Now let us try to open the Play Store, and just like that, it nailed it. OpenClaw now can control my phone like a real agent. And the best part? My phone is not rooted. As you can see in the Root Checker app, the device is completely clean. Pretty cool, right? It is doing all of this without root. No API cost, no expensive hardware, just your phone. And this is just scratching the surface. You can do a lot of pretty cool things with this. Just give it a task and the agent will work for you 24/7. So, pick up your phone and transform it into a fully agentic machine. Let us begin the installation process. First things first, you need to head over to your phone's settings. Scroll down until you find the About Phone section. Once you are in there, look for the Build Number option. Now this is kind of like a secret handshake for Android. You need to tap on that build number 7 or 8 times rapidly. Keep tapping until a small toast message pops up at the bottom saying, "You are now a developer." This step is absolutely crucial. Open the Shizuku app. On the main screen, you will see an option for pairing. Click on that. It will likely ask you to go back into your developer options. Once you are back in those settings, scroll down and find wireless debugging and toggle it on. Tap on the text itself to enter the submenu, then select Pair Device with Pairing Code. A 6-digit code will appear on your screen. At the same time, you should see a Shizuku notification in your tray. Enter that pairing code exactly as it appears. As soon as you hit enter and see the notification saying pairing successful, your Shizuku server is primed and ready to go. Go back into the Shizuku app and hit the start button. Wait just a few seconds and you will see the status change to Shizuku is running. That is the green light we were looking for. It means we now have the necessary authority to run system commands. But wait, there is one more important step. Go into the Shizuku settings within the app and look for the option that says Allow Shizuku to access terminal apps. Make sure that is enabled, otherwise Termux will not be able to talk to Shizuku. Now, look at the screen. I am using a file manager called Flow. We need to create a dedicated folder named Shizuku in our internal storage. We are going to export some specific system files into this folder so that Termux can easily reference them later. I know these steps might seem a little technical, but if you follow along closely with the video, I promise it is a lot simpler than it sounds. Now, let us move on to the heart of the operation. Termux. Open up your Termux terminal. Before we do anything else, we need to install Ollama. Ollama is the engine that lets us run a local large language model right here on your mobile device. This is what gives your phone its brain. Once Ollama is installed, we need to wake it up. Type the command Ollama serve. This command turns your phone into a local AI server. Tap on 3-line option or swipe from the left edge of your screen and open a new session. In this new window, we are going to pull the specific AI model from the GitHub repository. By the way, I have dropped the link to this repo in the description for you. Type the following command to run the model: Ollama run and model name. As soon as you hit enter, the model will start loading. Pay close attention to the terminal output here. Once it finishes loading, it will generate a local link. usually an IP address with a port number. Carefully copy that link. We are going to need it in the next step. Take that link you just copied and paste it into your mobile browser. Chrome, Brave, whatever you use, it does not matter. As soon as the page loads, you will see a clean interface with a button that says Connect Device. Click that button. Once you see that green signal on the dashboard, you know the connection is successful. You can now minimize the browser and head back to the terminal for the final stretch. Now, for the main event, the OpenClaw installation. Head back to the GitHub page and copy the main installation command. Paste it into Termux and hit enter. The script will now run an automatic health check on your system. It is checking whether Shizuku is active and whether Ollama is responding correctly. After a moment, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install extra tools. As you can see in the video, we do not need those for our basic setup. So just type N and hit enter to skip them. You will see a lot of text flying by as the script sets up libraries and files. This is a heavy process, so do not touch your phone during this time. Just let it do its thing until the installation is 100% complete. Immediately after the installation finishes, the OpenClaw onboard command should trigger automatically. If it does not, just type it in manually. This is the onboarding phase where we teach the system how to behave. So select Yes option to continue the onboarding setup. Then select Quick Start option. After that, it shows the list of all model providers. You can use any of these, but since I installed Ollama, so select Ollama option. Now, choose the option, which I'm choosing right now. On the model selection, select the Gemma 3 Cloud model. To complete the onboarding, just follow the steps as I am showing. We need to choose a controller, or what is called a gateway. This is how you will actually talk to your phone. You can use WhatsApp or other services, but for the best privacy and ease of use, I highly recommend selecting Telegram. Now, let us go get our Telegram API token. Open Telegram and search for botfather. Send the command /newbot and follow the instructions to give your bot a name and a unique username. Once it is created, botfather will give you an HTTP API token. Copy that token, go back to your dashboard settings, and paste it in. This token acts as the secure bridge between your Telegram app and your phone's hardware. The system will now ask about skills. These are basically plugins that teach your bot new tricks. To keep things simple and avoid errors for now, we are going to skip all the skills. Now, let us fire up the gateway. Type OpenClaw gateway -- verbose. Using the verbose flag is great because it shows you a live log of every single action happening in the background. If something goes wrong, the logs will tell you exactly why. While the gateway is running, we need one last piece of the puzzle, the gateway token. Open yet another new session in Termux. Go back to the GitHub repo one last time, copy the gateway token command, and paste it into this new session. A unique token will appear on your screen. This is your master key. Copy it and keep it safe. We have reached the finish line. We are going to use that final token to link our device to the dashboard once and for all. Watch the screen. As soon as I enter the token, the system status flips to online. It is alive. The OpenClaw is set it up completely and it's working fine on dashboard. But to use OpenClaw on Telegram, go to the Telegram app and access the bot which we created using the available blue link. Once it starts, the Telegram gives you a pairing ID. Copy the provided ID like I am doing here. Then back to Termux app and start a new session. Now, paste the copied ID into this session and hit enter. Within the minutes, OpenClaw verify the ID and OpenClaw is set up completely and ready to control your phone. So that's for it. Today's video, I hope it helps you, so please hit the like button and subscribe for watching more content like this, and I will meet you in the next one.